these wonderful teens about so many different things in this video. Number one, we're doing meet and greet. Number two, we are doing small talk. And number three, we are doing staring contest.
Stare down contest. Did you all do that when you were younger? Have a stare down contest? Oh my gosh, my brothers and I, that was a source of entertainment. And I have really good eye contact and really good focus. And yeah, it makes a difference.
So and then we also had, let's see, I'm gonna tell you is that there is so much information in this video. The 5 steps to meet and greet, I'm just gonna post a picture down below because if we go through all of that, it is going to be a lot. So after this, I'll post a picture of the 5 steps to meet and greet. If you guys want the video, let us know and we'll send you the video. It is spectacular.
You know, the thing that we really want to emphasize is that you really do need to step forward. You need to step up and you need to indicate to somebody that you really are interested in saying hi. And so when you use eye contact and when you put a smile on your face, those are the big ones. You know, step up, put a smile on your face, and, you know, reach out if they don't want to shake hands, or if you don't want to shake hands, that's fine. But, you know, somehow give it a greeting. The small conversations that we go through are based on, you know, small talk. The small talks would just be talk about the weather, talk about the event.
That would be the next topic. I have more to say on the meet and greet part.
Okay.
So it is extremely important. It's extremely important for us all to understand, hi, I'm Addie. Nice to meet you. Shake hands, maintain eye contact, a small grin. We were talking to them about the importance of a small grin.
It just lets other people know that you're interested, and it makes them feel good too. You know, I smile at people in the street when I'm driving, but they're in the street and I'm driving by and I wave, and you know, and I've seen people at a stop and another car that our eyes met and I smile at him, and I mean, I think I made their day a couple of times, you know. So it's really not going to hurt you any.
Smiling is helpful.
And it actually builds your own energy. It does bring you the benefits too.
So giving a small grin on your face, continuing to stay focused on the conversation. One of the students brought up the point that if you maintain eye contact, then that actually continues the conversation and it shows them that you are being focused on this conversation. Help maintain the conversation. No cell phones when you are having a discussion, when you are interacting with another human being. Put your cell phone away, mute it, put it in your pocket. But maintain eye contact, maintain focus on the conversation that you're having. People like to hear their own names.
Yes, very good.
Don't you think that's right, Claudia?
I do. I think so, Addie. You know, if you sit there and you say, hi, my name is so-and-so, and they say their name is so-and-so, oh, hi, so-and-so, you know, and if you want to introduce them, you've got that right there, you know, so-and-so, this is so-and-so, and then they can give their names back and forth. And it helps us to remember better, and it shows identity, and it shows respect.
Yeah, and like you were saying, you know, it shows respect, which is my next point. Repeat what someone says as a means of listening. And then small talk. So this is when we get into our small talk conversation. So Mom and I have different kind of expertise when it comes to small talk. What do you do when you...
I'm always about the weather. I mean, every single time I talk to everybody about the weather. I told the guy sacking groceries the other day, boy, I love this bad weather. And he said, me too, you know. I mean, that's what happens when you're living in Phoenix. It's just like, oh, wow, a cloudy day, or it's got some rain, and oh my, all the sunshine is just wonderful, however.
Whereas I like a compliment. So I'll check out something that I genuinely like about somebody and I'll say, hey, I like your bracelet. Hey, I like your earrings, you know. And that's kind of an easy way to start a conversation, and then you can maintain it from there. But just to kind of get the conversation started, what's the third one?
Oh, okay.
We were taking random
the event. So, okay, so you could say something about, I'm really glad to see you guys here at the live, and this means so much to us, and we're really excited about, you know, where we're going with all this, because it just gives parents more of an opportunity to let their kids speak out and let them, you know, be a part of the conversation instead of talking for them. and it gives the kids more confidence when they get a chance to say, you know, their name too. Yeah, this is my son. You want to introduce yourself? Oh yeah, my name is, and you know, and hi, and so and so. So those are the good things to do. Plus, I think when you're at a special occasion, you can stay more focused. Like if you're at a wedding or something like that, you know, that the kids have a chance to go talk to people they don't know and feel comfortable with that. So the event.
Talk to strangers.
Yeah.
The other thing that they pointed out as something that they learned or their takeaway, if you take turns, and when it's your turn, talk. But taking turns, it's up to you. If you talk more than others,
Be quiet.
stop talking for a little while and let the person that's quiet talk. And if you're quiet, stop or speak up and say your piece.
Yeah, you don't always have to be the one that's doing all the directing. I mean, if you are quiet, sometimes people will take the initiative to speak up and put in their 2 cents, and that's kind of what you want to do.
And a couple of our students actually said, I know because I'm the quiet one. You know? So they appreciate it when you give them that space and stop talking. I am one of those people who talks a little bit too much.
Yeah, we kind of pulled a joke on Addie here because we had one of the gals there in our Zoom, and she took over the conversation, and she carried through and had them kind of to do their takeaways and stuff like that. And
one of our teens led the meeting.
Yeah, and I was really pleased with the results, and I told her, I said, well, this was really good practice for Addie and I to be quiet.
It's not very easy.
It's not
So
very
if you talk
easy.
more, give others time to talk. If you talk less, take your time and talk. Eye contact. Okay, so this is the third one. We encouraged the teens to have a staring contest. Have a staring contest with yourself. Have a staring contest
With their
in
moms
the mirror.
or dads, you
have
bet.
a staring contest with the moms, dads, exactly. But
The siblings.
it increases the muscles in your eyes, and it gives you practice giving eye contact. So staring contest. So we gave them 3 takeaways from this lesson. Number 1, practice introducing yourself to others. There are 5 steps.
Yeah.
Practice those steps with as many people as you can. Practice introducing yourself to another person. Number 2, practice your small talk. Number 3,
Stare down contest.
do a stare down contest. So those are the 3 takeaways that we...
I think it's really fun to, in one of our lessons where we show the kids that if you keep eye contact and hold it for 3 full seconds, the other person has got a clear indication that you're interested in them. And, you know, that is just being a friend or whatever. I mean, it's just so fun though, because they'll come looking you up, or they'll kind of move in a little closer to you to see if you did want to talk to them. So, you know, count 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep looking and see how it comes out for you.
And I would say, you know, if you can practice, if you're the one that talks a lot, letting others that are quiet speak this week, and if you're one of the quiet ones, listen for your opportunity to speak.
Yeah.
It's good for all of us.
It's going to give you more confidence.
All right. Well,
Yay,
cool.
that's good.
What else you got?
I think that's pretty much it.
We celebrated some teenagers today. We had one new teenager, I think, join today, and then we had
2
a
last
few
week.
that were here. So great turnout. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next week, probably at 5:35.
Yep, like us
Maybe
on
5:40.
Facebook, like us on YouTube, like us on our webpage. You know, set it up so that you get notified when we come on live, because I think we have some valuable information and things that it'll help you to ponder on for a bit. And
We're doing it for the teens.
We're interested in what you have to say. So any of your comments are awesome. Yep. Thanks, Jim Carrey Wilson, for watching. Bye.